Hi, I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a special recipe of mine. It's got habanero, tamarind, gin, and it comes out as this nice, spicy, sweet mule. For this drink, you're going to have to do a little bit of extra prep. We're going to have to make a tamarind syrup, and that's going to involve some tamarind pods. You're just going to crack them open and take the stem out, discard the stem, and then take the pulp and the shell and just cover them with hot water. Let them steep for a bit, and then take out the shells and puree the pulp from the tamarind and the water together. Then you're going to put it on the stove with equal parts tamarind, puree, and sugar until it makes a nice thick syrup. You're also going to need some mango puree. You could buy this. I just get a mango from the store, let it ripen, peel it, and then take all the fruit off and puree that, add a little salt, and then you get a nice fresh mango puree. For this drink, we're going to start off with muddling a habanero. So all you really need to do is just cut off one little strip of habanero. You don't need a lot because it's very, very spicy. I'm going to take this little bit of habanero and just put it right into the tin. I'm going to take my tamarind syrup that I made. I'm going to add 3/4 ounce of tamarind syrup. Alright, and that's all we need to just start muddling. So this is going to disperse that spicy habanero capsaicin throughout the syrup. It's the quickest, easiest way that I make drinks spicy most of the time. Alright, that's good. Next up is our mango puree. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour 1 ounce into my little jigger. It's a little gloopy. That's okay. It's going to get diluted down. Alright. So now I'm going to grab the gin that we're going to use. Hendricks Midsummer. It's a nice floral gin. And some miscellaneous barrel-aged gin. Alright. 1 ounce of the barrel-aged gin. You can use whatever barrel-aged gin that you find at your liquor store. This is just my special stash. Alright, here is our Hendricks. We're gonna add 1/2 ounce of the Midsummer edition. Alright, so our drink is built. Gonna add 1 big hunk of ice right into the tin. And then go ahead and add our drink. Shake it on up. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a mason jar for this. You could use any highball glass. And then go ahead and add some ice cubes. This drink is just gonna sit on the ice. Alright, gonna take a strainer and go ahead and pour it right into the glass. The last part of this drink is going to be topping it off with some Tamarind Soda. You're going to take your straw, stick it into the drink, and just kind of give it a little stir, a little jiggle. Get all those ingredients mixed together. To garnish, if you feel like it, be a little careful with these things, but you can make a little slit in the side of your habanero. You can place it right on the side of the drink like that. Here you go. Okay, let's taste this. It's spicy and sweet. You get a lot of the habanero, but it's not overpowering because you have all that sweetness from the syrup, from the soda, from the mango, and all those flavors come through. You get a lot of floral brights from the Hendricks, and then you get a nice like soft woodiness from the barrel-aged gin. This is one of my favorite drinks that I've made because it has everything I love. Very spicy. Not too spicy. I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs. Go check out our website at barunderthestairs.com. It's a blog and forum where we can discuss further different ways of making cocktails, distilleries, different spirits we like, and everything else under the sun relating to cocktails. All right, have a nice day. Bye.